Hello, everyone. This is the Vantage RM weekly video update service as we take a look at the markets heading into this week of March the 22nd. Obviously, it's a week where we're going to maybe get some information on the RVOs, which could affect the soybeans and, in a roundabout way, obviously, the corn market. So, this could be a very interesting week that's coming up. As far as our dashboard goes from last week, the only change we really saw came in the Kansas City contract, where we moved out of an uptrend into a bullish leaning. The way that works is the mathematics of the system will tell us if the market has a bullish leaning, if it has an uptrend, if it has a neutral leaning, bearish leaning, or in a downtrend. Those are the five conditions. And we were in an uptrend a week ago, but we have fallen back into a bullish leaning, which could easily shift back the other direction. As far as the market goes tonight, let's look and see what's happening. I do this right at the 8:49 on Sunday night. And in the night trade, we've got the corn market strong. It's up 4. Volume is very heavy. About 4,000, almost 5,000 contracts of that is spreading. Actually, it's 5,450 now. So there is definitely some spreading action going on here tonight, but outright volume is still heavy. And again, the market up 4 cents there. Soybeans up 5 1/4 in the May, with the November up 7 1/4. Notice there's some bear spreading going on here. And earlier tonight, there was bear spreading in the corn, but that has been that's kind of reversed patterns here over the past 30 minutes. In the wheat, up 7 1/2 as I do this, with the Kansas City wheat up 7 3/4 cents. Obviously, the weather over the weekend, we've got still dryness concerns. There was certainly no drought buster as far as the weekend rains go. But right now, we're looking at is dry conditions is going to probably provide a bullish scenario, but rain chances are going to provide a bearish cap for that. So we're just going to have to wait and see what happens with the weather forecast, but that's the main issues as we watch that tonight. Rice market's up 3 cents and the cotton market's up a nickel. On Friday, the Dow was down 443 points. It's up 12 tonight, with the dollar down 84. Crude oil's not doing much tonight. It's up 17 cents, but notice it is well off the highs. It's over $3 down off the high that it made earlier tonight. Diesel's up just about a penny and a half. Natural gas down almost 3 cents. We've got the gold market down $132, but that's $122 off of the low. So that was the low tonight, and that's where we're trading. So it was down 250 at one point in time. All right, here's what the markets look like as we go through start this week. In the corn market, we're looking to see if the market can push through 470. So as we go through the week, that would be the big issue, is can we push and pull above that 470 level? The computer numbers here are not balanced. We're a little bit on the overbought side, actually. It could be we're at the end of an uptrend, but again, technicals do not matter a whole lot when you have the kind of headlines flying around that we have in the market right now. So we have headline-driven conditions. So if you're watching the market for risk this week, you're going to want to be watching the 460 area in the May corn, and of course this 449 area down here. That's going to be really key as far as the May contract goes. Taking a look at the May soybeans, 1176 is resistance, 1145 is support. Market's kind of chopping time right there. The other indicators have pretty well balanced out. Again, this week on Friday, we should get an RVO number, so we'll see how the market responds with that a little bit later on in the week. As far as the wheat market goes, we've got support down here at the 583 level, resistance at 642. This market's going to move sideways here, waiting to see which wins out, the bullish concerns on dryness, or if the rains start to pick up. 610-day weather forecast shows above rainfall for most of the winter wheat area. In the Kansas City wheat, the market a little bit firmer tonight. Notice the red bar right there. That means a bearish configuration. That means the computer has turned more to a bearish side at this particular point in time. But again, this could be a distribution type of top that tries to develop as we move sideways, waiting to see what wins the day as far as the news goes. Finally, in the cotton market, 67.10, that was resistance. Right there, you can see the resistance line. That now becomes support. Market staying just above that as it trades tonight. The diesel contract opened with a new high in the May diesel, but it has reversed back lower. We'll be watching that here as we go through the day, but there's no sign that we have stopped going up when it comes to the diesel contract. And that is a quick look at how we're starting this week. We'll see how it plays back. We'll have a midday or midweek update for you on Wednesday, and then we'll come back next Sunday night and once again set up the risk analysis for the upcoming week. So long, everyone.